We all want more hours in the day, yet most of us waste the ones we have. I'm Brian Ford. Welcome to Self-Improvement Daily. The undisputed, most valuable thing that we have in life is time. The classic question that proves this is, if I gave you $1 million, but you died tomorrow, would you take it? What about $10 million? For the far majority of people, the answer is no. There is no amount of money that's worth more than another day of life. William Penn is known for saying, time is what we want most, but what we use worst. Isn't that interesting? We believe that if only we had a few more hours a day, we'd be able to take care of ourselves better, spend more quality time with loved ones, pour ourselves into the hobbies we enjoy, build up a new project we've had in mind for a while. Then our lives would be exponentially better. We do those things and our health, careers, relationships, life experiences, and fulfillment will flourish. The irony is, we have the time to do it all. We just aren't using our time well. Proper time management comes down to three things: knowing what to do, doing it, and doing it really well. It's the trifecta. From the sea of everything, you have to know what to do. These are the things that are most important, most urgent, most impactful, and most likely to generate the results that you want. That level of discernment requires both organization and strategy, helping you commit to the things that are most aligned with your goals. And you've got to follow through and actually do it. The best plans do nothing for you if you don't put them into action. And action is unlikely to happen unless you've created the right environment for it. And this is a bit of a bonus, but if you want to reach the levels of success that you envision for yourself, you need to do things really well. This requires that you hold yourself accountable to a higher standard of quality. You get a lot out for what you put in by creating leverage through having the skills to do it well, and you give tasks your best within the time you have by having the energetic capacity to focus. What I've just described are the ways that you can unlock your personal productivity, getting more of the right things done day after day so that you can live the healthy, influential, meaningful life you'd be excited to wake up to. And if you want to learn not just what to do, but how to become more productive on a daily basis, I created a masterclass called The 6 Productivity Fundamentals for Overbusy Business Owners. It goes over the exact 6-part process I just described, but in way more detail, with specific action steps. You don't need to be a business owner to get a lot out of this masterclass. And if you want to watch the replay from when I presented it live, I have it linked for you in the description. I'm Brian Ford, and you grew today. Let's do it again tomorrow on Self-Improvement Daily.